My name is Neil Walker, and I've been coming to the Católica school for 5 years, teaching on LL.M right since the beginning actually. I used to work at the European University Institute in Florence, and over the last 5 years I've been back in Edinburgh, where I'm the Regis Professor of Public Law and the Law of Nature and Nations. It takes a long time to say that title, uses up the first minute of any lecture. And as I say, I've been coming to the school for 5 years. I love teaching this course, not just because I can spend a few days in Lisbon, although that's a not inconsiderable treat, but because I really believe in this course. The model of having professors come from all over the world, all experts in the field, all converging on issues of transnational law in a European and global and comparative context, seems to work extremely well. I admit I was somewhat sceptical at the beginning, the idea of bringing in so many different people, but I think the secret is to have people who are very, very good, people who understand the system, that come back year after year, but most importantly, a really dedicated and intelligent and talented cohort of students. The students tend to divide 50-50 between Portuguese students, not just Católica graduates, but graduates from elsewhere, both in Lisbon and beyond, and international students. And each, I think, very much complements the other. It matters, I think, to have a good cohort of Portuguese students. They're very talented students, and they give a perspective and a grounding to the comparative study. We see things to some extent from the national perspective, but it also matters to have very, very good international students from Europe and beyond. And the mix always works extremely well. I find the classes interesting and stimulating. It's very hard work for the students. They spend a lot of weeks in the classroom. They meet a diversity of opinion. They're very, very good at relating one set of lectures to the other. They often challenge you with other perspectives they get from elsewhere. I love coming back every year. I feel as if I understand the system better every year. I feel as if the system itself has matured, and that those who run it know what works and what doesn't work, and most of it works, by the way. I think there's a nice combination of freshness and maturity to the course. People know what they're doing, they come, they know what they're teaching, but also it is fresh for us because it's not our day job, so to speak. We come here for 1 week a year, and you can put a lot into it. There's a real freshness, a real zest with as regards how people actually approach this. What is a wonderful student for me? Well, the easy PR answer is that they're all wonderful students. But I think a good student here is someone who has a very, very open mind to comparative doctrine, to global legal theory, to transnational trends, and someone who, with that open mind, with that theoretical interest and curiosity, never gets away from the bottom line question, which is, what is the contribution that a transnational lawyer can make in today's globalizing, Europeanizing world? Law remains very much a practical discipline. Even when we do law in a very, very theoretical way, we know at the background what really matters is the role of the lawyer in the world. And it's the role of the lawyer in the world which matters here. It's not just the role of the lawyer in the country, but the role of law and the role of the lawyer within a global and a transnational context. And what I find really good about the students is that they force you to engage with these questions. They're not interested in simply a Cook's tour of high theory. They're interested in the relationship of their legal experience to the broader world of legal education, and also the broader world of legal regulation.